Hey guys, welcome back to another exclusive podcast from IronFX. At IronFX, we're dedicated to bringing you the absolute best trading education to help you take your trading to the next level. In today's podcast, we'll be talking about the most important trades for every trader. Well-honed trading skills and a clearly defined edge comprise of key elements in a quest for long-term success in financial trading. But all the books, websites, and mentors in the world can't overcome a bad attitude and mental roadblocks that could undermine the trading performance from initial preparation to the final exit. Perhaps that's why most successful traders share common psychological characteristics. Successful traders share positive psychological characteristics that enhance their personal power and the ability to create positive outcomes, including a commitment to physical and mental health and stress management. Let's look at some of the mental attributes that guide the decision making of successful traders. These positive characteristics comprise an incomplete list, but offer an excellent jumping point for other market participants to consider how closely they match to these winning trades, or how far off they are from fulfilling their market goals. Experienced traders place a great deal of importance on being right in a trade. There is a sense of control that they have, and there is also a degree of excitement and adrenaline associated with keeping in touch with the markets and the latest prices. You'll find that profitable traders will go for days without checking prices, often confident in the knowledge that their stops are well placed away from the market action. They also do not care that much about being right, more so about entering high probability trades and not caring if or when they suffer losses. They treat trading like running a business, knowing that they make some good decisions and possibly some bad decisions. Remember that you will never see two similar trading days which are exactly alike. This constant difference poses a problem when someone only looks at a textbook example of a strategy. When they go to implement it, everything looks different from how it did in the example or in the textbook. Maybe there's more volatility, maybe less, a stronger or weaker trend, or even a range. Successful traders implement their strategies in all types of market conditions and know when they shouldn't use the strategies. For example, trading during a range if they use a trend following strategy. This needs quick changes, which also requires mental flexibility. A trader must be able to look at the price action of each day and determine the best possible way to implement or not implement the strategies based on the conditions that are present that day. Traders must also be able to implement the strategies in real time in all market conditions and know when to stay away. Not adapting to current market conditions will often, very often, result in a swift drawdown of capital. Traders can't be stuck in the past. When they use data from the past to help them make trading decisions, they must be able to apply that knowledge in real time. Pretty much like chess masters, traders are always planning their next moves, calculating when they do or what they do based on how the market moves. The markets are not static. We can't say that we'll buy at a certain price in 5 minutes, then ignore all the information that occurs during those 5 minutes. Traders are consistently planning their next action based on new price information they've received every second or every minute. They consider different scenarios that could play out, then plan on how to implement their trading plan or strategy under each of these various conditions. Talk yourself through what needs to happen for you to enter a trade. Self-talk will keep you focused on the price action as well as reiterate your strategy within your mind. As the trade approaches, consider what could happen while you're in the trade. If it doesn't move, moves a lot, or moves a little bit, moves too quickly for or against you, and how it affects your psychology and your trade. Go through what you do in each scenario so that you can quickly navigate the changing market conditions. This is what we call forward thinking. And with practice, it can become almost instantaneous. Forward thinking traders know what they will do no matter what happens. It allows them to act decisively without hesitation. Have a defined set of protocols to use in rare but inevitable events, like losing your trade. Forward thinking traders also practice, and it consumes a lot of mental energy at first, but the more you practice it, the quicker and the easier it becomes. Most traders aren't born with these traits. Don't worry. Rather, they possess a few and must work very strongly and rigorously on the others. You can learn these traits, which means that successful trading is determined by you and your actions, not your genes. Some of us are prone to certain weakness, but we can often offset them with strengths, which can help us mitigate the damage caused by our weaker qualities. Anyway, guys, that's it for me for today's podcast on the most important traits for every traders. Do remember to subscribe to our podcast, as here at IronFX, we're dedicated to bringing you the very best trading education to take your trading to the next level. Till then, stay safe and trade safe.